on? What do we have here? Police track down Mariott hotel thief using Apple's Find My. How stupid do you have to be?
On June 12th, 2026, officers responded to a Mariott hotel after guests reported that thousands of dollars worth of jewelry and personal items had been stolen from their room.
What the hell?
Who would have been in that room? Staff, like cleaning staff? During the day?
According to them, so they only called the engineering. So the cleaning staff and the engineering staff came in while they work here. So that should have been happening between 7 and 11.
Okay.
And then at that time, there is no request for the room. There is no reason anyone to go into the room.
Yeah, but there was cleaning staff and...
Before.
Okay. Is there like any sort of log of who goes into what room? Okay. Am I able to see that?
I need to call my chief engineer to bring him here. So because those are electronic locks, so they need to read this lock and then get the information, and then that way we can see those information.
I request you guys to be in the room because I don't want to interfere with the other guests.
What the hell are you talking about?
Okay. Well, everything's fine. Yeah.
Okay, but you're being kind of loud for other guests.
I'm doing an
Bitch!
investigation right now. Everything's fine. Yeah, you can tell. Nobody's in trouble. Yeah, I just want to see at least like a list of people who came in and out while they were gone.
The victim discovered his AirPods were also missing and was able to track them using the Find My app.
So if
Wow.
you catch the signal, then you can
Play a sound. Yeah.
My wife always.
If we do get near him, we're gonna stay back and let you say something.
Put like this
Do you have your thing on?
No, it's she always moves her case and
if you need me to help,
at home like this. I have two
I
small
work
kids,
also.
so they.
He always wanted to do some shit like this. Like, he excited.
Yeah, someone must have.
Could be in any floor, too.
Could
Or
be.
maybe the same.
Must have cut them off or something.
So the last one was 2 minutes ago. So if anyone connects to that earphone, so you will get a notification on that.
Does this happen often or not really?
Thefts happen a good amount down here.
Let's walk to the corner because
In hotel rooms, it's a little more rare.
Yeah, because y'all bold as hell to steal out of an actual hotel room like shit.
So it could
You
be
need it that bad?
over here, there's no signal.
Yeah. Well, let's pop back up there.
All right, so I had entry at 2320. Prior to that, 2157. Prior to that, 2150. Then 7 minutes right after that.
Okay. So they claim they left at 6:45 a.m. Let me confirm that they're not saying. What, it was p.m.? When you guys said you left the room at 6:45, that was p.m., correct?
It was 6:40 actually.
6:40 p.m.? Okay.
They got downstairs. I was in the bar at 6:40.
And then got back to your room around 11:15, 11:30?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, so 9, that would have to be when? So they said 6:45 and they got back to the room between like 11:15 and 11:30.
There's 3 people who were in the hotel at that time.
Does it show like specifically whose key card is it, or it just shows entry?
It just says standard level key. So if it
Are they going to be able to find this guy or not?
was a Grand Master key, it would be, I would assume. I'm new here,
I gotcha.
and this is my understanding of how the system works. So if it was a Grand Master key, that would be red on here. Standard key, I don't know. Yeah, that's all these are saying. So this might not be accurate, but I do know what time the keys were used.
So it's showing that there's entry at 9:50 and 9:57.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah. That's all we can do right now. And like you said, there's no cameras in the hallways or anything.
Our policy for our Mariott is they don't do that.
Really?
Yeah.
Officers returned later that morning to continue the investigation.
So we kind of filed a complaint that the manager came in and everything, and they figured out that someone was in the room, and they know when at 9:50 and 9:57. Yeah, basically, yeah. And so that's when they stole like t-shirts, shorts, but they stole 2 antique rings that were given to my wife. Her dad's a retired Marine colonel, and a really special ring was stolen.
Oh, fuck.
Bottom line, the reason why I called this morning was, watch this. I can go into Find My. Here's my iPod Pro. They didn't steal the earbuds. We found them in the room. But here is,
Still the case.
and here it is. And I've been tracking it all night. Please take
Let's
my
see a
time.
minute. Can we go back to the Find My?
Help yourself. I can tell it's in a car because I could tell where it was parked.
Is that the parking garage?
No, that's at the
Or is that the
mall.
cut? Oh, that's it. Yeah.
But just before where it is now.
That's
it
right
was-
in the dead center of the mall.
It's in
There's a klepto guy that I know.
But I saw it in and there was a parking lot that it was in just a little bit ago.
Yeah.
And it was next to like a little island in the parking lot, and you could tell it was a parking space.
I can't cap. I want them guys to catch them. If you stealing stupid shit like this, you deserve to go to jail.
Well,
Especially if you go into somebody's room. That means you was watching them.
I could tell, or I suspect it's in a car or something.
How many people have keys to your room?
Only my wife and I.
Okay. Do you still have your keys?
Both. Yes.
Both keys?
Yeah.
Okay.
Something like that.
I have a hunch that it's Quicksall. Last name's Quicksall. He works one of the booths at Clinton Square Market. So it was a guest key that was you. Who has access to make guest keys?
So we got a front desk
That's it. No one else?
and the manager.
It's through the front desk. Where they
But
got the
it's
machine.
all done here?
Yes.
It's moving around in Clinton Square right now. So one of us could stay here,
You know who?
and then I know who Quicksall is. And then when I get there,
That's crazy that the cops know you for being a kleptomaniac. That is bananas. You need to pick a different profession.
I'll tell you to play the sound. I'm en route to Clinton Square Market to see if I can track down some of the property. 34 I'm arriving.
Can you pull that back out? Don't ping it though. Midway down, right side. Oh, there we go. Let's see if we can go find. I'm gonna try and get a picture of those so we can go to Mr. Kim and to the other jewelry stores to see if anyone's trying to sell them. Hey, so someone pointed out that this was here, so we just need to see if we can find the owner.
See?
Oh, the other call that we were on from last night. Let me show you the ring. It's a pretty distinct ring that was stolen.
Very
We'll have to check
distinct.
I'll have to check the jewelry shops to see if someone tried to sell it from Melton.
Yacht Club? Yacht Club hat was stolen, was it?
Annapolis Yacht Club, yeah. Well, that might be tied to the case we were just on, Matt.
I asked the employee. She said she doesn't know who this is.
Well, that's why I called it out as a 44 found.
I figured he'd be back
All right.
for it,
Your name is Mitzi?
Mitzi.
Mitzi, you work for the property?
but I work for HCA.
And this, someone left all this property behind and you want to turn it into us because it's taking up a table?
Yes, I would.
All right, thank you very much. I will check it and go from there.
Watch this idiot come back for his stuff and then go to the officers. I bet he gonna do that shit.
Baby, I got it. This is it. 34 to 30.
Oh yeah, now we just need him to come back looking for his stuff. Cause y'all ain't going to jail.
Located the speaker, AirPods, and sunglasses. I found a picture of Mr. Fortin's ID. Yep. It was with the stolen property.
What an idiot.
Yeah, I think she'll be able to describe him. I got to find her again because she's got the area. But if we can get cameras, there's camera pointed like right at him. So when I walked in, I saw him in this building. And he was scurrying around, but I didn't think he was the suspect at the time. We were pinging the thing, and I was walking around trying to see if I could hear the thing ringing. I couldn't, but he scrambled around. Like I saw him pacing, and then he grabbed his bike and took off. I think he probably still has the jewelry on him.
You're right. This is mine. Okay.
What's up, man?
Oh God.
Vincent. Yo. Obviously, there's four of us around here, so you're not under arrest right now, but you're being detained. We have to have a conversation, but I'm going to let you know your rights. Yes, sir. You understand those rights? Yes, sir. Okay. Here's the reality. Yes, sir. You and I have known each other a long time, right? Yes, sir. Here's what I need to know. Get me the rings back. I'll have Officer Johnson, who's with the victim, find out if they want to press charges. Okay. Where are the rings? I have them. All right, show me the rings.
Damn. He at least he ain't fighting. I thought this was gonna be much more of a fight.
That would be it. And there's two of them, right? Yes, sir. Anything else that I need to know from the room?
Not that I know, really. Give me 1 second. Oh, I actually like just a pair of clothes.
I was gonna say those shorts.
Yeah, the shorts. That's about it. I mean, it's what it is.
All right. Hang tight. Let me make a phone call to Officer Johnson, and we'll go from there. Yeah, he knows. Jackpot. This guy's gonna be stoked. Hey, I got the rings. Hey, I read a Miranda, so you got to check to make sure the guy wants to press charges. Okay, all right. I just told him I told him I would call him and call you and ask. So okay. So Vincent, let me ask you about last night. So the guy drops his key. It's out the envelope with the room, and you saw the room number. You're like, is that so? You left the earbuds over at the Clinton Square because that's what Officer Johnson showed up. He saw you leaving there, right? Did you leave? Did you take anything else that we're gonna find out later?
I know. Only think like a couple of blocks. Like they're not called blocks. They're called, I guess the charging box, the white charging box.
Right, for the earbuds.
Yes. Yeah. And the earbud case I still have.
Okay, where's that at?
It's going to be with the stuff that.
With the other stuff?
Yes, with the other stuff.
Okay.
And then.
How about his hat?
I have his hat.
Right. You know what hat that's for? Annapolis Yacht Club. So that's going to stick out like a sore thumb. Only members have those hats. They don't sell them to the public.
Oh, gotcha. Okay.
Yeah.
Dumbass.
So here's the bad news.
Yes, sir.
The guy's going to press charges, so we got to take you in.
Okay.
All right, go ahead and turn around for me.
Okay. I just make sure that all my stuff is all.
Yeah, we'll take care of that.
Okay. And then the other stuff is already in thing, correct?
Relax.
You know they in there, motherfucker.
Good job, guys.
By the way, not.
No?
No.
Yes, sir.
I'm on camera. There we go.
Yes, sir.
So, does he recognize that hat, sir?
100% this is my hat. 100% I can Bluetooth it to my phone instantly.
Your sunglasses.
These 100% are the sunglasses.
Are these your chargers?
Yes, sir.
Did you
Damn.
have a pair of blue shorts that were like fancy?
Yeah.
2020? Yeah. Well,
Yeah, you don't want those because his ball's been all in them
he was
things.
wearing them. I don't think you want those back.
Yeah, they said aloe.
Yeah, that's it. That's what Daddy
And there's a
said.
matching shirt.
You have the jewelry.
And he took my deodorant, and he took my razor.
Okay.
You did
What else do you need?
The two
The rings.
Oh, the ring.
Start crying.
I may or may not have the rings as well.
Right. Please describe
Did
the
you
ring.
give them up? Oh, you don't need to tell us.
No. After the waterboarding, no.
I thought I was going to get to do that.
Well, you can't have all the fun. So, no, we had a conversation, and he had them on him. So this clearly is a ring that you can't, like,
No.
yeah, the picture says all. And then, oop,
Oh,
That's all good.
Oh, please.
and then you got the little
Mother's
guy.
ring,
Oh,
so that's a special ring, yeah.
From the parents.
There you
So
go.
there you go.
Thank you
So,
so
all
much.
right. So he's in jail, obviously.
There you go.
So he's been charged with felony burglary and felony grand theft. So the state attorney may be in touch with you as far as prosecution and all that stuff.
You guys
Can we
want
take
to
a picture with you guys?
Of course.
let me go off.
Yeah, you know the police done did their jobs when the people want to take a picture with you.
Gonna go off and sing.
There you go.
The man was charged with burglary of a non-residential structure and grand theft of property valued at approximately $8,000.
Damn.
His case is currently pending.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and that share button as well, as it helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. We have